Thanks to this secret mask of India for the hair, today it seems that I am 15 years of age. Sometimes, many women have felt the need to make a change of look. Whether you're tired of your previous look or want to get someone's attention, a change of style always fits well. To achieve this, most resort to the hairdresser to ask him to make a new cut. Others simply dye the hair a different color. If you still want to clarify the tone of your hair, but do not want to damage it, we have the perfect solution. It is a natural solution that will lighten your hair without damaging it and affect it at all. This has been a method used for many years by our grandmothers and great-grandmothers. Although it was in the past, we relive it so that you can take advantage of it. It is a natural dye prepared with cinnamon. This spice has many properties that, in addition to dye your hair, will keep you healthy and shiny. This will give you luster, make it grow strong and resistant, and give you greater softness. What we will need: cinnamon powder 3 tablespoons, honey 2 tablespoons, hair conditioner 1 cup. Preparation and use: 1. The first thing we will do is look for a plastic or wooden spoon and a ceramic bowl. Then we will throw the 3 ingredients in the bowl and mix them very well. Then we will carefully wash the hair and let it dry. After it is dry, we will divide it into several tufts. 2. Now proceed to apply our home dye in each of the tufts. When we are finished, we will put a shower cap or a plastic bag over the hair. Then we wrap the head with a towel and let the dye work for 30 minutes. 3. Exhausted that time, we will remove the towel and let the hair rest for 3 to 4 hours more. Depending on the time you leave it applied will be the color of your hair. Finally, we will rinse our hair with plenty of warm water. This will be enough to have a new hair tone. I ask 3 favors: 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.